Hello there, welcome back to another video. So if I have a 2008 Mercedes Benz clk350, this is what the alternator look like. So I get this new one to replace, but I want to show you guys exactly what it look like, so you don't have any problem getting for your car. It's a clk350. This is where the connector go that plug on. The send signal in the dash to show the battery light. Okay, take a good look, guys. I'm going to show you where it go on the vehicle. You can see 2008 Mercedes Benz clk350. This is a different type of grille from the original one. These are some different type of headlights, LED types. Okay, so that's where the alternator go right there. Right here, this is alternator. So if you can focus from this side, that's it, guys. Alright, so find this video useful, guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.